Hi guys, this is the new Birchbox, November 2016, and this is what the box looks like. I have taken the items out of the box, and this is the card that came in the box. It says Birchbox, the finishing touch, etc., etc. And this is what this looks like. And this is the items that came in there. And now I'm going to show you the items that I received. The first item is called Dandruff, and it's a scalp remedy. Anti-dandruff shampoo, full size, is $31. And this is what this looks like. And I received a bonus, and it's anti-dandruff conditioner in the foil, and this is what this looks like. And then the next item that I received is called Iredale, and it says Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain, and it's Forever Pink. Full size is $25, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks like that. The next item that I received is called Obliphica, and it's professional, and it's a Seaberry Serum medium to Corse, and the full size is $38, and this is what this looks like. The next item that I received is called Supergoop, and it's Forever Young hand cream with SPF 40. Full size is $38, and this is what this looked like. I guess you can only use it once because it's very, very small, and that's what that looks like. The next thing I received is called TokyoMilk Light Awakening Within. Full size is $42. And this is what it looks like inside. It's a spray. The next item and the last item that I received is Obliphica, and it's a golden envious luminous face mask. Full size is $95, and this is what it looks like. And these are all the items that I have received in my Birchbox for November 2016, and I want to thank you again for watching